did a really good job. Hi, I'm Maddie, the Senior Brand Manager at Haven's Kitchen, and today we're cooking chicken in the air fryer 3 different ways. First off, we're making spicy, crispy chicken thighs with our romesco sauce. Then we'll walk through our stuffed chicken breast with edamame green goddess sauce, feta cheese, and garlic. And lastly, our Thai-style crispy chicken wings with dipping sauce. Before we get into cooking, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring the bell so you're always notified when we're dropping new stuff. We're making this chicken thigh recipe with our romesco sauce, so it's gonna be a little bit of smoke, a little bit of creaminess from the almonds, super delicious. I'm adding some chili flakes, so it's a little spicy, and then paprika. One thing I love about chicken thighs is you can get the skin super crispy. It's super hard to overcook this cut of chicken because there's a lot of good fat. It's the dark meat, I'm sure you've heard people say that, and it's just super tender. You leave it on the bone, it absorbs a bunch of flavor. It's so good. All right, let's get cooking. Salt. A little bit of paprika. Chili flakes. And really just a smidgen of oil. Like I said, chicken thighs are already pretty fatty, so we don't need a lot. And then we toss. All right, my chicken is tossed. Now I'm gonna put it skin side down in my air fryer basket at about 375. And then I'm gonna flip these, turn them skin side up, and really get that skin crisp by turning my air fryer temp up a little bit and allowing that chicken skin to really dry out and get super crispy. That for about 10 minutes. All right, so it's been 10 minutes. It's looking really nice and it's browning, but I'm just gonna flip these over, turn the temperature up, and get my chicken skin nice and browned for like 8 minutes. So I just took my chicken out. It's super crispy, super delish. I'm so excited about it. So I'm just gonna squeeze a beautiful bed of romesco sauce before I plate my chicken. Wow, I did a really good job. I'm not gonna lie. Crispy. These were my air fryer chicken thighs. I am so excited to eat these, to share them with my team. Allie in particular loves crispy chicken skin, so I think she's going to love these thighs. And let's not forget about the Thai chicken wings with dipping sauce. These were perfect in the air fryer, optimal crisp, such good dipping sauce, perfect for when you're having friends over, want a snack. Lastly, we have the Thai chicken wings with dipping sauce. Similar to this recipe, we didn't toss our wings in sauce. We just did oil and seasoning, threw them in the air fryer so they were super, super crispy, and then we had an amazing sauce to accompany this recipe. Another recipe I loved making in the air fryer were the stuffed chicken breasts with edamame green goddess, feta cheese, and garlic. What's great about the stuffed chicken breast is that it's locked in with moisture with our filling of the edamame green goddess sauce and the feta cheese, so you're gonna guarantee you won't have a dried out chicken. If any of these recipes sound really delicious to you, or you wanna try out some of these methods yourself, make sure to check out the links below because all the full recipes are there. And don't forget, these sauces can be found at your local grocery store. Just check out our store locator, or you can order them directly on our site. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment and like below. I want to hear all of your cooking endeavors. It truly brings me so much joy. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you always know when we're hitting you with new videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.